Hi, my name's Mark, and this is the love of my life, Aja. After retiring from the Army in 2018, my family and I moved from the States to my wife's hometown of Szczecin, Poland. She followed me around for 18 years, so now it's only fair that I do the same for her. She runs a Polish cooking food channel and blog, and I lift the heavy things. Once in a while, she shuts down the kitchen, and we explore Poland together to find as much good food as we can. Welcome to Kitchens Closed.
Hello, my hungry friends. It's Friday and Kitchen's closed.
Today on Kitchens Closed, we're downtown in the Poznań. Well, actually, we're not just downtown. We're going on a couple different places in Poznań.
We're gonna explore a camper enthusiast fair.
Yeah, like an expo of campers and
Yeah,
things.
expo.
So like exciting stuff, campers. Yeah.
You would think we're like in our 70s.
Yeah. And
And we're gonna explore a little bit of the old parts of Poznań.
right, and we have to start it off though first with a trip to the local US consulate for some stuff we have to do.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Poznań is officially called the capital city of Poznań, even though it's not the capital of Poland. It's located on the River Warta in west central Poland. The city is an important cultural and business center and one of Poland's most populous regions. Poznań is the fifth largest and one of the oldest cities in Poland. As of 2019, the city's population was over 530,000 people. Poznań is also a center for trade, sports, education, technology, and tourism, which is why we're on our way there to look at an expo of wonderful camper things. So come along. And we're here, United States of America Consular Agency. Let's rock and roll. A lot different than an embassy, huh? You look chilly, my love.
I'm freezing.
It's not warm today, is it? No.
Poziom A.
Okay, poziom. What's a poziom?
Poziom level.
After we were done completing the business of the business that we were doing, it was time to start the business of the eating. And so we wandered a few blocks away from the consulate and we found this wonderful little cafe called Pomarańczarnia. From what I understand, that means a place that makes oranges. I could be wrong. Somebody will tell me if I am or not. We had a really good breakfast and it filled the belly, warmed the soul, and prepared us for the rest of our day. Delicious.
Pyszne.
Pyszne jest. Pyszne było.
Było, jest.
It's kind of a cool little neighborhood, huh?
Pomarańczarnia.
Pomarańczarnia on sklep de la or ulica de la something. But it's a good place. Nah, not so bad, huh? Yeah, look it up. And off we go. When you come to Europe, don't park like a jackwagon. Otherwise, you get that. You get the boot. Then you gotta call the Straż Miejska, which is the city guards, and then they'll come and do it. See, there's a parking. They put a parking thing, and a park, and then you pay for parking. He illegally parked in front of the parking meter. Genius. With our bellies full, we headed to our Airbnb that we'd be staying at for the night and found some pretty interesting parking.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm getting my chubby butt out of this little tiny head.
Jesus.
Now that's efficient parking. Holy crap, huh? Wow. How do we raise it up? I want to try it.
Well, there's a key right here.
There's a key? Okay.
I think
Does this one go to this one?
No, I think that's...
Wow.
I need to get my stuff.
With the car properly parked and elevated, we made our way over to the Expo Center, because there's nothing like new campers.
We are here to tour some campers.
Campers for everybody?
That we can't afford to buy.
We can't afford, no, we can't afford them, but they're fun to look at.
Yeah, they're fun, they're brand new, and smell like new car smell.
New camper smell.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Poznań Targi Center, where we're looking at campers today. So come on down. If you need a camper, come on down to Poznań. We'll show you the best and brightest, newest, shiniest campers they got. Want to pull a camper? You got that one. Want to drive a camper? We got that one over there. Just dig deep in your pockets and come on down. Let's go. Someday I do dream of doing van life, jumping in the van, self-enclosed, self-sufficient, and driving the world with my lovely Schmeini. I don't know if that's ever going to happen, but a man can dream.
What do you think?
I'm dying. Hashtag van life, let's go. I love this. This is great, right? Because you got your bed, and you kind of get in there. Well, it's a little bit tiny.
It's the bed for small people.
Wait.
There's no way. No.
No.
This is a van for krasnoludki dwarfs from Wrocław.
Yeah, the Wrocław dwarves can handle this.
Yeah.
It's the 6 foot some change people. Not so much. What are you gonna do? The Międzynarodowe Targi Poznańskie, or International Trade Grounds, over the years has been a window to the world, especially the colorful world of the West. It was here in 1957 where Poles had their first opportunity to drink Coca-Cola. In 1929, Poland's first television set was shown, and in 1956, thanks to foreign journalists attending the fair, the world learned about the great strike of workers in Poznań and its bloody suppression by the authorities. In 1929, on the 10th anniversary of regaining independence of Poland, Poznań hosted the General National Exhibition at the fairgrounds of the MTP Poznań Expo. This was the greatest commercial event in the history of Poland until that time. Enjoying all the fair attractions required a few days and strong legs to walk many miles through the fairgrounds. To facilitate visiting, the organizers offered small electric vehicles for transportation of the guests. A prototype of the personal computer was presented at the fair in 1971. It was designed by Jacek Karpinski and named the K-202. I wonder why it never caught on. What you got, baby?
Welcome to new and improved Ruti.
New Ruti?
Burner.
Yeah.
This is a 460 like our 20-year-old camper. So it's about the same size. It has a gigantic fridge.
That is huge.
Gigantic in European standards.
European camper standards, that's magnificently huge.
In ours, there's a we have like a counter here with the divide, and our bed is beyond that, and then here, and the fridge in ours is under here. It's really tiny. This.
That's a cook's dream.
When my book takes off and I'm rich, this is what we'll buy.
Yes, ma'am.
Bed.
Yep, just like in Root. Toilet.
Shower.
Standard data.
Yep. Plenty of storage. They're nice and light.
They are, yeah? Let me see. Oh, yeah, that'll break quick.
Yeah. I wonder how this compares as far as quality to the ones that were 20 years ago.
I imagine the ones 20 years ago were probably a little bit better quality, but this is newer technology, so maybe the installation's better or something. I don't know.
Splash guard here, so when I'm cooking eggs in the morning, they aren't splattering in the
I love it.
It's nice.
Let's buy it.
Let's buy it.
Okay, let's go. We're just kidding. We're not buying this thing. Not yet.
Now check this rig out. I want to buy a boat. And
Yeah,
a palm tree.
we can get a boat and a
And a
palm
bus.
tree and a whole bus all in one.
And then that lady comes with it. She's the driver.
Oh no! Oh, okay. You can just take all my money right now. Just take it all. Look at this thing. It's got 2 like patio doors.
Welcome to the bedroom.
You've gotta be shitting me.
That is nice.
Holy crap.
That is my favorite so far.
Oh,
What'd you do?
there's a thing. You open it up. And there's wine glasses.
Nice.
What do you think?
Buy me this one.
Sell the house, get this?
Yeah.
Got it.
Give us a tour
Okay, so we're in the foyer. And
of where?
we're in a Airbnb in Poznań. And this is where we're staying tonight. Hi, sweetheart. Our daughter's here, but we're not going to show her to you.
She's
So,
a secret.
We go in this way, and they put these cool, old-timey theater seats for old people like me who have to sit down and put their shoes on. Like that. And that's pretty neat. And then if you come through here, we have a bedroom with a bed.
Bedroom number 1.
Bedroom number 1. And we'll go over here to bedroom number
Duh.
2. This also is an bedroom.
And bedroom. Yes, very
With a
nice.
view of
Very nice.
a building.
Very nice.
Very nice. And then we move this way to the latrine. And in here, you have your toilet, your,
Necessitas.
I can't open, there's no handle. And there's water that goes on and off. Shower,
Necessitas.
and then our living room, dining / kitchen area. This is the standard for me for Airbnbs in Europe. This should be clean, simple. Because that way you can cook, you can make your
Microwave.
breakfast in the morning, you can boil your own tea,
Can
Yeah.
watch TV.
you can watch the TV, you can come out on your big old balcony.
Wow.
It's
Nice.
quite a big balcony too.
I wish there was some seats.
Yeah. Oh boy, that makes me. I don't like that. I'm gonna go back inside here.
Would you say this is a standard size
Yes,
Polish apartment?
I would think so.
It's pretty standard.
Yeah, I think this is about what most people in Europe even probably live in something similar
Yeah.
to this. If I had to guess, this is a guess.
Well, you've been to some apartments.
I've been to some apartments, yeah, but well, you know, some of our friends live in things of
Yeah.
this size. Some of our friends live in
Big old
big
house.
old places,
Yeah.
and everything in between. So, but I would say this is probably medium.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. It's nice.
So we're gonna take a little rest.
Yes, user.
Take some travel chips from ourselves. Take a rest.
Take a rest, and then go back out.
And then we're gonna go explore Poznań.
Some more Poznań. Bye. And now it's time for. So now we have left the Airbnb apartment-y thingy, and we are off in the evening time to find some food. What do you reckon for chow?
Bear.
Beer? We're gonna have beer for dinner. So come on, let's see what we find. As we've said many times in our videos, often the best food is nowhere near the touristic sites. Get away from the tourist sites sometimes, no matter what city you're in, and hunt for food there. We were able to stumble across this gem.
I found Uwan Browar.
Uwan Browar? What's an Uwan
Uwan Browar?
What is that?
That means Uwan Brewery. Not brewery.
Brewery?
Brewery.
We haven't even had any brewers
I
yet.
know. It looks cool.
What do you think this old building was?
Could have been a brewery.
Like for forever?
Yes.
Hannah, what do you think it was? Do you think it was a military fortification? I think it was.
factory or something.
I think it was factory or warehouses. But I think it looks pretty cool. You know?
Yeah. Top of my head.
Everybody wanted to see
Perfect.
Hannah. Here's Hannah.
Just the top of my
I'll
head.
give you an eyeball. There's an eyeball. This looks like a contender. Yeah.
What you got there?
Krupnik. It's soup with taters, carrots, and some kind of organ meat. What kind of organ meat?
This one is special. It's got chicken stomachs in it, or I think actually turkey.
Oh yeah, kasha. No. Oh, gams.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Goose something.
Goose stomachs. Really tasty. I tasted it.
Goose gizzards, not stomachs.
So gizzards is not.
Gizzards grind it before it gets in the stomach.
We call it stomachs.
Whoa, I'm sorry.
Did you taste the stomach?
I didn't taste the stomach.
Why not?
I don't want to eat the gizzards.
Why not?
This is weird. Why? There's so many other good parts of an animal. Why eat their gizzards?
Because they taste like nothing else.
I don't want.
But it's really tasty soup. Yeah? Did you taste it?
I'm eating it.
Oh.
It almost tastes beefy.
Yeah, it's really mild. Really good soup though.
Very good, nice and smoky.
The food was excellent and the company was even better. And with that, we were tired. And we didn't want to play anymore that day.
So that was a successful dinner. And tomorrow, we'll go see what we can see in Poznań, huh? Good night.
That's our episode, friends. Thanks for tagging along. Tomorrow, next week, we head downtown Poznań to show you some of the historical things that are down there, find some food, and have some more fun. In the meantime, if you could head over to Kickstarter.com, put in Anna Herning, and take a look at supporting her book that she's trying to publish right now. Now, with Kickstarter, it's all or nothing. We either get fully supported or we get no monies whatsoever. It only runs till October 31st of 2021. So please, if you can, help us out. If not, we still love you. It's okay. Head over to www.polishkitchen.com. Check out some wonderful merchandise. Check out some wonderful recipes. Hit us up on Facebook and Instagram. Y'all be good. And we'll see you tomorrow next week. Bye.
It's Friday. Kitchen's closed.
Okay, start over. Start over.
I have to think about it.